In today's fast-paced professional world, it's not uncommon to find ourselves facing immense pressure at work. Whether it's tight deadlines, high expectations, or demanding projects, navigating through these challenges can sometimes feel overwhelming. However, learning how to effectively manage and even thrive under pressure is a crucial skill that can set you apart and propel your career forward. Here are some strategies to help you deal with pressure at work. Prioritize and organize. When you're feeling pressured, it's easy to become paralyzed by the sheer volume of tasks ahead. Combat this by breaking down your workload into smaller, more manageable chunks. Prioritize your tasks based on deadlines and importance, and create a clear plan of action. Utilize productivity tools such as to-do lists, calendars, or project management software to stay organized and focused. Maintain perspective. It's essential to keep things in perspective when under pressure. Remember that challenges and setbacks are a natural part of any job, and they provide opportunities for growth and learning. Instead of dwelling on the stressors, focus on the bigger picture and the positive impact your work can have in the long run. Cultivating a growth mindset can help you approach challenges with resilience and optimism. Practice time management. Effective time management is key to managing pressure at work. Set realistic goals and deadlines for yourself and allocate your time accordingly. Break your day into focused work sessions, interspersed with short breaks to recharge. Avoid multitasking, as it can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress. Instead, devote your full attention to one task at a time and celebrate your accomplishments along the way. Communicate effectively. Don't hesitate to communicate with your colleagues or supervisors if you're feeling overwhelmed. Expressing your concerns and seeking support can help alleviate some of the pressure you're experiencing. Be honest about your workload and deadlines, and collaborate with others to find solutions or delegate tasks when necessary. Building a strong support network within your team can provide invaluable assistance during challenging times. Practice self-care. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is crucial when dealing with pressure at work. Make self-care a priority by getting enough sleep, eating healthily, and exercising regularly. Engage in activities that help you relax and unwind, whether it's practicing mindfulness, spending time outdoors, or pursuing hobbies you enjoy. Setting boundaries between work and personal life is also essential to prevent burnout and maintain balance. Develop resilience. Resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and adapt to change. Cultivate resilience by embracing challenges as opportunities for growth, rather than obstacles to overcome. Focus on solutions rather than dwelling on problems, and learn from your experiences to become stronger and more resilient over time. Building resilience takes practice, but it's a valuable skill that will serve you well throughout your career. Seek continuous learning. Stay curious and embrace a mindset of continuous learning and improvement. Develop new skills, seek out opportunities for professional development, and stay up to date with industry trends and best practices. The more equipped you are to handle various challenges, the more confident and capable you'll feel under pressure. So, while pressure at work is inevitable, how you choose to respond to it ultimately determines your success. By implementing these strategies and cultivating a proactive mindset, you can not only manage pressure effectively, but also thrive in the face of adversity. Remember to prioritize self-care, communicate openly, and stay focused on your goals. With the right approach, you can turn pressure into a catalyst for growth and achievement in your career.